What's up, guys? Welcome to the first video on my YouTube channel ever, and today I am going to go into the forest, which is where I am right now. Oh damn it, the neighbour's cutting trees, so there's a lot of noise. Anyway, I'm gonna do some fly fishing in the river, which is at the bottom of the valley, just down where I'm going. And we're gonna see if we can catch some small barbel. Yeah, see what happens. Okay, so here we are at the river. There's a lot of annoying background noise, but the cliffs I'm about to roll were from a few days ago when the water was much cleaner and there was no rain. Got my little aphid flower here. Here are the dogs messing around. Here's the river, the stream. And I've actually got a super short leader on. It's not deep at all. And using a tiny little, just insect-looking fly, little nymph. Yeah. Kemba, ow! I'm about to fish there. Right, let's get to it. What's up, guys? So it's been a few days since that bit you just saw, the time lapses, except now I'm walking further downstream, right down to where there's a road and a big pool where the water goes under the road, and that's where I usually catch lots because they're all stuck there, they can't travel upstream. Except this time I'm not going to be fly fishing. Just got a little, got a bait caster, a little hook. Gonna see what we can get. Except now I can assure you we will catch fish, because this is the spot that I know has lots of fish, including some fairly decent ones too. So yeah, it's nice and sunny. It's actually quite hot. Shouldn't have worn my jumper. But yeah, see you there. So update, I've reached the waterfall, and yeah, it's looking really good. It's not too bad. I'm gonna see what's what. See what we can catch. Here it is. Now this is just full of fish, all down here. So I've got a tiny little hook on the end, and I'm gonna use a piece of bacon. So we're going to go around and try from the other side, because that's where all the fish are. And this is only dirty because it's been raining recently. Right, now add this bit down here. It's deeper than my height. I've measured it before. So it is, it's deep. Oh, that's a bite. That's a fish. That's a little fish. Not a good one, but it's a fish, and I'll take it. Here it is, the little barbel that I have been talking about. At last, cool one to show you guys. So fun just to catch these little things. Right, hopefully we can catch some more. That was fish number 1. Let's try for fish number 2. Oh, it's a fish. Let's go, guys. There we go. We've got ourselves another barbel. That's a beautiful little fish. Oh, fish already! Already got another one. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I just fell down the bank. I just fell down the bank. Oh my goodness. Beautiful little barbel. That's actually quite a big one for this river. That is such a nice fish. Such a nice fish. That's a fish. Yeah, we've got one. Oh, this is a good one. It's a big one. I'm actually going to go down to the water for this one. For this place, that's a monster. Oh, he's inhaled the hook. I might need to get my tweezers for that. Yes, there we go. That's a big one. Whoa. Oh, not the release I wanted, but... And I don't know if you guys know, but for this place, for this river, that's a big fish. That's about as big as they get. I mean, I've caught a few bigger ones, but that is about as good as it gets for this place. Oh, fish! Yeah, look at that. This place is packed with these little guys. It's a beautiful fish. There's a fish there, I can't get it. It's not eating it. Fish! At last, I got him. Oh, it's a decent one too. Perfect. Let's get this hook out. So I finished my fishing over here. I'm just gonna get out of this noise. Whoa. So I finished fishing. That's wrapping up for the day. Thank you so much for watching and press the subscribe button. Peace out.